Alrighty, so for the third installment here, we're going to deal with the questions in this light blue here. So basically, I'm dealing with general properties of triangles, so nothing special like isosceles or equilateral. Okay, so just some general things about angle measurements in a triangle. So really, there's only two things that I'm using for all these examples. Okay. That's talking about the interior angle sum, which I've mentioned a little bit for the other videos. You've heard me say that a couple times if you've watched those. And then we're going to be dealing with one of the exterior angles, okay? So, let me get a new slide out here. So, if I have a triangle, I know that if I add up the three interior angles, they have a sum of 180 degrees. Okay? So, I may give you two numbers, and you've got to find the last value. So I would add up 23 plus 67 plus x equals 180, and find that that missing side is 90 degrees. Okay. I may, so that's an example, I may give you that same triangle, but instead of giving you numbers, maybe I give you like 5x minus 2, 3x plus 1, 2x minus 7, I don't know. I've still got to add up those three angles, even though they all got x's in them, to equal 180. Okay? You got to remember in that case to combine like terms. Okay. The other thing that you're dealing with angles here in a triangle, remember that if I were to have an exterior angle, so remember an exterior angle is a linear pair, so it's supplementary and adjacent to one of the interior angles, then it's going to be the sum of the two interior angles added together. Okay. So it's the sum, and I should have said, excuse me, remote interior angles. Okay. So basically, the two interior angles, they're not touching the exterior angle. Okay. So an example, let's say I've got 60 and 50. That means the exterior angle is 110. Okay. I can do the same thing if I had x's. So let's say that I tell you that this is 6x minus 2, this is 5x plus 2, and this is I'm trying to think of something here. Let's see, 12x minus 11? I don't know. So then I'd have 6x minus 2 plus 5x plus 2 equals 12x minus 11, and I would have to solve the algebra from there. Okay, very similar to what you did here, where the remote interior had to add to equal the exterior. Okay, so for all the questions in green, or in blue, excuse me, that's what I'm looking at. So I've got 135 and 23. Subtract those from 180 to find the missing. And same thing here. I've got an interior, got to find the missing interior. I've got an exterior. Okay, so try those for your test review, and then let me know if you have any questions.